Hi guys, today is day 10 of the Devops Interview Question series. Git fetch versus Git pull. As you can see, this is a remote repository. It holds all the latest changes. Below that, you have the local repository where your system has a copy of the project. On the right side, you have your working directory where your actual files live and you make changes. When you run git fetch, changes comes from remote repo into your local repository, but your working file stays untouched. You need a second step to apply them. That's where merge comes in. Now, when you run git pull, it brings the changes from remote and updates your working files in one go. Let's understand git fetch and git pull with a small demo. I'm cloning a repo called fetch pull into two different folders, one named fetch and the other named pull. First, I'm cloning the repo into the fetch folder using SSH. I'm running the command git clone and the repository URL. The repo cloned successfully, and as you can see, the folder fetch pull has been created under fetch. Now I'm cloning the same repo again inside the pull folder. I'm running the same command git clone and the repository URL. That also worked. Now both folders have a copy of the same repository. Let's move to the fetch folder and navigate into the cloned repo. I'm creating a new file and adding a line of text. I'm adding to the staging and committing it and finally pushing to the main. Let's confirm the new commit by running git log -one line. So the commit ending with 06 is visible. Now I'm going to pull folder. I'm going into the folder that is cloned, running git fetch origin. It fetched updates from the remote, but file.txt is not available yet. I'm checking the log using git log main origin main. Now you will see the new commit exists in origin main but not in your local main. So now I'm running git pull origin main. Now the file is downloaded into your working directory and the commit ending with 06 is visible. Just to summarize, git fetch downloads changes but does not updates your local files, whereas git pull downloads and applies the changes to your local directory. Follow for more real world DevOps interview scenario questions. See you in day 11.